I'm going to show you how to tie the it's the Howard Croston case Caddis jig. This thing is obscenely heavy, so I've got some little scales here. This one comes out at 1.6 grams, which if you compared that to say just a normal jig with a 3.3mm bead, that's weighing at about 0.3 grams. This thing is really, really heavy. So let me just show you how to tie it. So firstly, the fly has got two tungsten components in it. So first things first, it's got a black tungsten bead at the head. Use either a 3.3 or a 3.8mm. And then the body of this fly is it's an extra large black tungsten jig back. So this jig back we're going to stick on the back of the hook like that. So first things first, just using the Fulling Mill super glue, I'm going to try and stick the bead in place. So just apply a little piece of super glue and then push that bead up into the glue and it should grab. Then use the same super glue, just apply it to the hook shank, take your jig back and just push that into place. Okay, so we have tungsten bead and tungsten jig back all fixed on the hook now. So because this tungsten jig back is a little bit slippy, we just apply some super glue to it. I'm just going to catch in some tying thread. Just run it up the jig back, just back down again. Right, now then, we just need to try and cover this jig back with, this is sort of like a flexible plastic sheet here. So I'm just going to catch this in. So it's called scud back, this stuff. Right. Then we wind this up the jig back. Okay, so basically we've just completely covered that jig back in this scud back material. Okay, right. Let me just add a little whip finish in there. Just for a bit of extra added security, just going to coat that scud back material with UV resin. Just a light coat. Okay. Just cure this up with the torch. And this is one time actually when, if it's slightly tacky, it's almost good because you want to try and take a bit of the shine off that resin if you can. Okay, right, I'm just going to remove this black thread now. Just attach some chartreuse thread. Okay. I'm just going to invert that in the, or turn the vise around. Okay. So I've just got a It's like a Brahma hen feather here, dyed olive. Just separated it off, so I've got a little V there. Okay. I'm just going to tie this on the underside here. You can tie it longer and then just let it slip or slide through your thread a little piece. Okay. Just remove the tag. And then we just use some chartreuse eye stub here. And this just makes it just like the little caddis larva. Okay. So just apply a small piece of super glue to your thread. And then we just whip finish. Okay, so that is the Howard Croston case caddis, and it's tied with a jig back and a bead, so it's super heavy.